We have been getting so many messages. How do I take the tax on premise? How do I take this tax on premise that can actually fetch me rewards? Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now you can actually see where we have the unpaid tax right here. Now this unpaid tax, you're not going to be getting rewarded for it, but it can make you have a lot of tax on your account. Now when we go ahead to click this, you can see unpaid tax right here. It says informational tax, photo best practice guide. So this is a guide. You're not going to be getting rewards for this. Now you can see 3 to 4 minutes right here. So in progress, I have to wait to make a recording about this so we can also get to understand how it works. Now before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you are an existing and subscriber, please do well to like this video and also subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Also do well to drop a comment if you are getting value from this video, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now yesterday I made a video about this, explaining how to register an account, which is very simple. Now right here I'm going to be showing you how to take this tax and how to maximize your earnings. So right here you can see the unpaid tax. So once you click on that right here, you can see this yourself. Informational tax, photo best practice guide. So like I said, this is a photo best practice guide. So you can see from 3 to 4 minutes to complete. This guide is an unpaid informational tax about our requirement for location and exploration tax photo. Learn how to take good photos. So no one will actually teach you how to do this. You just have to go through this guide to understand how it works. Now at the end of this video, I'm also going to explain some secret codes you can use to get more tax on your account. So it's better you pay close attention to this process. So what we are going to be doing is to click on start now. So right here you can see tip 1. Make sure your photo are of the correct object or facility by carefully reading tax instruction, tax hints, and looking at the example image. So let's look at this image right here. So you can see it right here. So this is what they said. This tax will ask you to find an ATM, take a photo, record the location, and answer a few questions. An ATM, now they defined an ATM for you in case you don't know what an ATM is. An ATM is defined as a machine that dispenses cash or performs other banking services when a bank card is inserted. Bank, currency exchange, or informal finance locations will not be accepted. So this is actually what they want you to do. So right here you can see from 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So this is how the interface is going to look like. You're going to be seeing save for later, or you can click on start now. So we can't click start now because this is an image. Okay, so now let's go back to our account. So when you come right here, you can see the second image that says please do not submit banks, currency exchange, or informal finance location. So right here you can see submission that do not clearly show an ATM will be rejected. So most of you, when you are actually taking this particular tax, you need to make sure the caption you're taking are actually visible for you to actually get accepted tax. So right now let's go over to the third tax right here. You can see it right here. So this is an object that was taken, and you can see the clarity of this object. So that is an example of taking this tax on your account. So that is the tip 1 for actually taking this unpaid tax. So the next thing you want to do right now is to click on next. So right here you can see avoid taking photos of incorrect objects or facilities, means your tax will get rejected. So let's click on the second one. You can see right here avoid submitting photos out of order. That is when your photo does not match the instruction for the photo, means your tax will be rejected. So don't actually take a photo when they ask you to take a photo of a ball. You're actually taking a photo of a cup. So that is what they're actually trying to say right here. It will be rejected. So right here you can see the next one. Try not to include unrelated objects, people, or yourself in the photo. Okay, so when you are taking an object, if capturing of an object, avoid appearing on that photo or avoid taking it with human beings. So make sure you are taking that exact photo they ask you to take, the object, the location, depending on your tax. So don't actually include an image to it. Right here it says as this will make the rejection of your tax more likely. So let's click to see the second one. So you can see the tip 2 right here. Good photos are clear to make out and taken in bright lighting conditions. So make sure when you are taking your photos, it is very clear and easy to locate. So that is how you can actually get this done. So you can see right here blurry are not actually accepted. So this kind of pictures are not accepted as your tax are likely to be rejected. Right here it says bad photos are blurry and dark, meaning that premise cannot verify the object or facility you are submitting. So that is what you should also take note. Tip 3 says good photos are taken at straight angles directly in front of required object. Stay in front of that object and take that photo so you can actually get an accepted task. That means you should avoid taking photos of object facilities taken from angles. So come in front of the photo and take this photo. So right here it says good photos are taken at reasonable distance. The distance of the photo will be determined by the task instruction. So ensure you are including everything in the photo that you are asked to do. So following instructions right on this app is what you are going to be getting value of. So if you're actually not following the instructions right here, most of your tasks, all of your tasks will get rejected. So right here you can see photos taken from either too close or too far will be rejected. All they are just saying right here is that you need to follow instructions for you to get an approved task. So let's go on to the next. So right here it says these instructions apply to science as well. So let's click on continue. Now it says time to test your knowledge. Time to test your knowledge. Just click on start. So you can see right here, will this photo get accepted or rejected? So this is one thing you are actually doing to make your account look real, that you are human. Okay, so you just have to look at this and make sure you take this first unpaid tax. So let's click on rejected because that is the answer. You can see this photo will get rejected because it is too dark and blurry, meaning PEMS cannot verify the facility. You click on continue. So right here you can see, will this photo get accepted or rejected? You can actually see that. You can come right here and see accepted. Correct. They said the photo is taken in bright lighting conditions, shows as much of the facility as possible without including other items, and the sign is clearly readable. So that is to tell you that there is no image in that particular capture we saw, and it is very, very clear for us to see. So let's go on to the next. So right here it says, will this photo get accepted or rejected? So it depends on the object they actually want you to take. So let's go over to rejected. So they said correct, this photo will get rejected because it is taken from too close and from a sharp angles, meaning PEMS cannot read the whole signs or make out the outside of the facilities. So that is just what you just need to take on your account. So they said thanks for reading through this unpaid guide, we look forward to your photos. So click on submit right here. So you can see right here they said, are you sure? You will not be able to change your answers once you submit. So okay right here. So let's hold on. So you can see right here, 9th job. So you need to take your unpaid tax on your account for you to start getting enough tax on your account. You can see right here, your submission is under review. The progress takes approximately 24 to 72 hours. Thank you. So right here you can see recommended for you, fight hope in your community. So you can go ahead to take this, but I'm not going to be taking this right now. I'm going to be showing you my earnings on my other account. I have 2 Naira accounts, so I'm going to be showing you my earnings on my second account and how I was able to accumulate this, and the 2 secrets I'm going to be explaining right in this video. So like I said, I'll be showing you my second account. So this is one of my accounts which I opened. Just like I said, you can actually create an account, multiple accounts right on this platform, and it's worldwide. You can create an account as a United Kingdom citizen, you can create an account as a UK citizen. So right here you can see the available balance I have right here. So you can see right here that I have 12 Naira. So I've been earning 12 Naira on this particular account. So I have several accounts. So right here you can see that I've been earning 12 Naira on this particular one. So I'm trying to have access to all my accounts, so I might not be taking much on some of my accounts. So this is one of my accounts, and you can see the total balance I have on this account. Now when you look at locate right here actually means you are to take live pictures and maybe picture about a company or particular location. So once you go over to locate, that is what you'll be getting under locate. Okay, so right here on this particular task, what I do is that once I sign in every day, I get taxed every single day. That is one thing I like about this particular platform. So you can go ahead to download the app and leverage more on it, because every single day you log into your account, you are going to be getting tax every single day. Now the secret I want to explain to you is that once you start using this app, it is advisable you create multiple accounts, and you can go ahead to use VPN for other countries and other locations. So with that, you're getting much value right on this app. Now the question you'll be asking is, if I should use a VPN or a proxy and I was asked to take a picture of a particular location or product, how am I going to be doing that? Now this will be explained in my next video. So all you just have to do, if you want that video, is to go below this particular video and comment premise. Okay, so once I'm able to get a certain amount of comments, I'm going to be making another video explaining how you can go about that, just like the way we did the previous video. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I break down segments of how you can leverage more platforms to get some rewards for yourself. And so see you on my next video and keep winning.